Hey, this is Mike, the Disgruntled Mechanic, once again, and we're here at the new digs of Krown rust-proof protection. So they've moved to a new spot right up the road from where they were. So this is going to be part 2 of my truck having the Krown rust-proofing treatment. Brought my truck up here to have it done. I've had some body work done on it, rockers, cab corners, and we're going to get everything sprayed again. And we'll look underneath, see how it held up, and see what happened, and how it's gone over the winter. And this is their new shop. Sounds like they're back there working already. So this is Stanley, New York's Krown Roofing's new digs. Like I said, their office. And of course over here is their little lounge. So we're gonna go, and what we'll do next is we'll actually take a look at the truck underneath when he gets it up on the lift and see what it looks like under there. So we'll pull her in, get her up on the lift, and we'll look underneath. So we're just going to look underneath it here and see what it looks like. And I sort of noticed, now I think it was October when I had this done. Let me get this. I think it was like October when I had this done the last time, and it just seems to me like you know, like it's sort of it's all dried off, like it doesn't stay there, or has it dried on there? I guess is sort of my question.
Yeah, the product is carried with an oil, and over time the oil will penetrate into the rust and the oil will dissipate. But the oil is just the carrier of the corrosion inhibitors. So it has done its job, it's done its protecting. Now keep in mind, Krown is best when in preventing rust. We can slow it down once the rust is started, but on a truck like this that is already rusted quite a bit.
Yeah, you could say you're not hurting my feelings. I know. It's just trying to be preservation, you know, at this point.
There's a lot to penetrate in. You can see here where it's not so crusty that the oil's still there.
Okay.
But
so now, and one of the other things too is, you know, will you wash off like the salt that's built up, or
we can
before you put it on, or what's your opinion with that?
We can. I personally have found that on a vehicle that is crusted up this much, that my theory is that it can only hold so much either water or our product, that I would rather just put our product.
If you're going to put something wet on it, put the product on it.
Correct.
Okay, well that makes sense.
And
yeah, and you know, I was wondering if it's really helped or not. But when the process started, and we talked about this when I was here before, once the process has started, it's pretty hard to tell whether it's staving it off or how much, because it's already started.
Sure.
So,
sure. But it definitely slows it down, retards it a little, as much as one can on this.
Right.
It's really the only product that is going to keep it pretty much where it is. You can still see it up on your...
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yep, it is there. Oh, really? That's not oil flying off of something? I tried to get most of the leaks fixed in it, but...
Yeah, so it looks like minimal salt. There's a little bit, but
okay.
It tends to be up here. Well, actually, this is probably where you had auto body work done, so it looks like dust, right?
Yeah, that's probably the overspray from that. It's not even that. When I was actually, you know, when I say about like the salt. Like it just seemed, I don't know, crustier or whiter, but you know, maybe it's just regular dirt. I don't know, but I think I do agree with you. I think it's best just to spray the.
Looks like we got some new rockers on.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I wanted to look at my body work from underneath here.
Looks good. And this is where our product will really help, because when they do new metal, obviously it's all raw on the backside, so we're going to get into those areas and we're going to treat it with our product. We'll go in through here as well as here, all these seams. We'll get into your brackets as well.
Okay.
And that'll help prolong your body work.
Well, that's good. And actually, it was just done, so it can't be any fresher. it didn't see a winter yet, so. All right. Well, I won't hold you up here. We just wanted to get a look underneath, and I will show a little bit of the process. They've seen it before in my other video, but this was the big thing. And I've had quite a few people ask me, are you going to do a follow-up video and stuff of what it looks like and stuff? I said, yeah. I said, we'll look at it and see what you had to say about it. So I'll let you get to work and start spraying it.
Alrighty.
So, and I got lucky today. I got the boss / owner actually doing the application today. So. And he's going right with the spray. We decided not to wash it off, so we're just going to start putting the Krown on it.
Gary, have fun.
Thanks for the morning.
Thank you. Thanks for scheduling. I appreciate it.
Get out of trouble, will you? Always. I'll have to tell your mom.
Here's something that I always think's neat when they're doing it too is actually so that they get the box there, they stick the long wand in there and spray that in there, which I think is pretty cool. And there's where they spray in the doors, and like and they put the rubber plugs in, so you don't even see that. And as you can see, it's been 6 months, and I know some people had concern about the hole rusting around it, and well, I don't see that. So, all right. So once again, this is the part that I really like. Once they get it all done, they're actually nice enough to wash the whole truck down. So at least once a year, my truck gets washed also. And that's included in the price, right? The wash is included. It's no extra for, okay, good. See that? You get a free car wash included. So they just finished it up. And we'll soon be heading down the road. Well, so there you have it. That's getting the rust proofing done the second time on my 2002 Chevy 2500 HD. Undercoating / rust proofing. I wanted to thank Krown for doing it and getting it done. I was told after this, if I do a 6-month or so follow-up just to do the underneath, that would probably be sufficient. They also said, you know, just to do the underneath, of course, it'd be a little cheaper than getting the whole vehicle done. So once again, this is Mike, the Disgruntled Mechanic, saying just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, especially with your rust proofing, and let Krown do it, you're probably better off. See ya. Thanks.